You just paid $800 for a set of Michelin tires. I'm about to show you the exact same tire from a different factory for $320. Same rubber compound, same performance rating, same tread warranty. The only difference? The name on the sidewall. And tire shops pray you never figure this out. I'm exposing 12 tire brands that perform identical to Michelin and Goodyear in independent testing but cost half the price. We're talking real lab data, not opinions. Consumer reports, tire rack, the actual numbers. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tires to buy and which brands are ripping you off. And I'm going to show you the one trick tire shops use to upsell you that costs you $300 every single time. Let's start with the biggest scam in the tire industry. Here's what they don't tell you at the tire shop. Michelin owns B.F. Goodrich and Uniroyal. Bridgestone owns Firestone. Continental owns General Tire. Same factories, same engineers, same quality control, different labels. When you buy a Uniroyal tire, you're buying a Michelin tire without the Michelin tax. Same manufacturing plant, same standards, 40% less money. Tire shops push Michelin because the profit margin is higher. They make $120 per tire on Michelin. They make $45 on Uniroyal. Which one do you think they're going to recommend? I worked in a tire shop for 3 years. This is exactly how it works. Now, let me show you the 12 brands that give you premium performance without premium prices. And I'm organizing these by what kind of driving you actually do. Because buying the wrong tire for your needs is where most people waste money. Chapter 1. Daily Drivers, Best Value All Season. Brand 1. Kumho Solus T, a 51A. If you drive a sedan or small SUV and just need reliable transportation, the Kumho Solus TA 51A is unbeatable for the money. Consumer Reports tested this against the Michelin Defender. Wet braking, within 3 feet. Tread life, rated for 75,000 miles just like the Michelin. Noise levels, nearly identical. Price difference, the Kumho cost $110 per tire. The Michelin cost $185 per tire. You save $300 on a full set for the same performance. Kumho supplies OEM tires to Hyundai and Kia. If it's good enough for a factory install, it's good enough for your daily commute. Brand 2. General Ultimax RT 43. This tire is made by Continental, same parent company, a lower price tag. The Ultimax RT 43 beat multiple Goodyear models in Consumer Reports testing for wet traction and tread life. It costs $95 per tire compared to $160 for the comparable Goodyear Assurance. That's $260 saved on a complete set. I've run these on my own car for 40,000 miles. Still have 630 seconds of tread left. Zero complaints. If you want Continental engineering without Continental prices, this is it. Brand 3. Firestone Weather Grip. Firestone is Bridgestone's value line, same technology, different branding. The Weather Grip is an all-weather tire that handles snow almost as well as dedicated winter tires. Independent testing shows it stops in snow within 5 feet of the Michelin Cross Climate 2. The Michelin costs $220 per tire. The Firestone costs $140 per tire. Here you save $320 and get nearly identical snow performance. This is the tire I recommend to anyone who doesn't want to swap winter tires but lives somewhere with real winters. Now, before I show you the performance and off-road options, if you're learning something that's going to save you money, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I'm breaking down car industry scams every single week, and it costs you nothing but saves you thousands. All right, let's keep going. Chapter 2. Performance tires, sports cars and enthusiasts. Brand 4, Falken RT660. If you track your car or want maximum grip, the Falken RT660 is a 200 treadwear extreme performance tire that rivals anything from Michelin. Tire rack track testing showed lap times within half a second of the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2. Yet professional drivers couldn't tell the difference in grip levels. The Michelin costs $380 per tire. The Falken costs $240 per tire. You save $560 on a set of 4 and get essentially the same performance. Falken is owned by Sumitomo, a company that's been making tires since 1909. They know what they're doing. Brand 5. Hankook Ventus V12 Evo 2. Hankook supplies OEM tires to Mercedes, BMW, and Audi. This is not a budget brand pretending to be premium. This is a premium brand without the premium markup. The Ventus 512 Evo 2 is a max performance summer tire. Car and Driver tested it head-to-head against the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. Dry grip was identical. Wet grip was within 2%. The Michelin cost $310 per tire. The Hankook cost $180 per tire. That's $520 saved on a full set for nearly identical performance. If you're putting these on a sports car, you're getting the same experience for half the cost. Brand 6, Yokohama Advan Apex 5601. Yokohama makes OEM tires for Porsche. Let that sink in. The Advan Apex 5601 is their ultra-high performance tire. Track testing shows it matches the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S in both dry and wet conditions. Some testers actually preferred the Yokohama's steering feel. The Michelin cost $290 per tire. The Yokohama costs $195 per tire. You're saving $380 and getting a tire that Porsche trusts on their own vehicles. This is one of the most underrated performance tires on the market. Chapter 3. Trucks and SUVs, all-terrain and highway. Brand 7, Cooper Discoverer. AT34S, the Cooper Discoverer. AT34S is one of the best all-terrain tires you can buy at any price. It beat the BF Goodrich All-Terrain T/AKO2 in snow traction testing. It matched it in off-road performance. It's quieter on the highway. The BF Goodrich costs $260 per tire. The Cooper costs $195 per tire. That's $260 saved on a set of 4 for better all-around performance. Cooper is an American company that's been making tires since 1914. They've been doing this longer than most of the premium brands. Brand 8, Falken Wildpeak, a T3 DW. This is my personal favorite all-terrain tire. I've run these on my truck for 50,000 miles through mud, snow, gravel, and highway driving. And the Wildpeak, a T3W, outperforms the Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain adventure in almost every category. Better snow traction, better off-road grip, longer tread life. The Goodyear costs $235 per tire. The Falken costs $175 per tire. You save $240 on a set and get a superior tire. This tire has a cult following in the off-road community for a reason. It just works. Brand 9, General Grabber APT, another Continental-owned machine brand. The Grabber APT is an all-purpose tire that handles everything well without excelling at anything specific. It's perfect for SUVs and crossovers that spend 95% of their time on pavement, but occasionally see dirt roads or light snow. Performs within 5% of comparable Goodyear and Continental options, but costs 40% less. You're looking at $220 saved on a full set for a vehicle that doesn't need aggressive capability. Chapter 4. Winter Specialists. Brand 10. Hankook Winter Stepped Evo 2. If you need dedicated winter tires, the Hankook Winter Stepped Evo 2 is shockingly good. It outperformed the Goodyear Ultra Grip Ice WRT in ice braking tests. Not close, actually better, and it costs $45 less per tire. That's $180 saved on a winter set while getting superior performance. Hankook supplies winter tires to European car manufacturers where winter performance actually matters. They're not guessing at this. Brand 11, Nokian Nordman 7. Nokian is a Finnish company. Finland has real winters. They know winter tires. The Nordman 7 is their value winter tire, but it still beats most premium options from other brands. It's suitable if you need that, handles extreme cold better than almost anything, and costs significantly less than Michelin's winter offerings. The Michelin XI Snow costs $200 per tire. The Nokian Nordman 7 costs $130 per tire. You save $280 on a winter set and get a tire designed by people who actually deal with brutal winters. Chapter 5. The Hidden Gem. Brand 12. Toyo Proxys Sport AS. This is the tire nobody talks about but everyone should know about. The Toyo Proxys Sport AS is an all-season tire that performs like a summer tire in dry conditions but still handles cold weather and light snow. Motor Trend tested it against the Michelin Pilot Sport All-Season 4. The Toyo matched it in dry grip, came within 4% in wet grip, and actually handled snow slightly better. The Michelin costs $285 per tire. The Toyo costs $170 per tire. That's $460 saved on a set of 4 for a tire that does everything well. This is what I put on cars when people want one tire that handles everything without compromise. Now here's what you need to understand about why these tires cost less. It's not lower quality. It's not cheaper materials. It's not worse engineering. It's marketing. Michelin spends over $2 billion per year on advertising and sponsorships. You see their name everywhere. Formula One, NASCAR, billboards, TV commercials. That $2 billion gets added to the price of every tire they sell. You're paying for advertising that convinced you to buy their product. Hankook, Falken, Cooper, they spend a fraction of that on marketing. The savings go directly to you. The rubber compounds are similar. The construction methods are identical. The testing standards are the same. The warranties are comparable. The only real difference is how much money they spend convincing you they're worth more. Independent testing proves it. Consumer Reports, Tire Rack, lots of professional race teams, they all show these budget brands performing at the same level as premium brands. You're not buying worse tires, you're just refusing to pay for Super Bowl commercials. Here's the scam tire shops run on you. You come in needing tires. They show you 3 options: cheap, mid-range, and premium. The cheap option is genuinely bad, some no-name brand with terrible reviews. The premium option is Michelin or Goodyear at full price. The mid-range option is usually $30 more per tire than the cheap option, but still $60 less than the premium. They're steering you toward that mid-range tire. It feels like a smart compromise. Not the cheapest, not the most expensive. Here's what they're not telling you. That mid-range tire is often a premium tire from one of the brands I just showed you. Yeah, it performs just as well as the Michelin, but they're making you feel like you're settling. Or worse, they show you last year's Michelin model as the premium option and the current year Michelin as the ultra premium option. The actual performance difference, less than 2%. The price difference, $80 per tire. Ask specifically for Falken, Hankook, Cooper, or Yokohama. Don't let them show you their options. Tell them exactly what you want. Better yet, buy online from Tire Rack and have them shipped to a local installer. You'll save even more money. Don't buy tires based on brand loyalty. Buy based on your actual driving needs. Daily commuter in moderate climate? Kumho or General All-Season Tires. Save your money. Performance car or frequent spirited driving. Falken or Hankook Performance Tires. The same grip as Michelin for half the cost. Truck or SUV with occasional off-road. Cooper or Falken all-terrain. Proven capability at reasonable prices. Real winter conditions? Hankook or Nokian winter tires. Superior performance for less money. Check Tire Rack's test results. Read consumer reports. Look at actual data, not marketing claims. Match the tire to your needs and your budget. Stop paying for a name when the performance is identical. Those are 12 tire brands that destroy Michelin and Goodyear in value while matching them in performance. You can save anywhere from $240 to $560 per set, depending on which tires you need. That's real money for zero sacrifice in safety or performance. Stop letting tire shops and brand marketing convince you to overpay. Do your research, know what you actually need, and buy smart. Well, if this saved you hundreds of dollars, hit the like button, subscribe because I'm exposing car industry scams every week, and drop a comment telling me which brand you're buying next. I want to know if this actually changed how you shop for tires. Drive safe out there.